Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kari India barok kawai mentakasngi ka artarik urisau arhajar arpesau kala rakhe ka Swachh Bharat Divas hak ba menteri rang ba adu kari ulapli ki kaptu ani ki project jong kari kenthop ya ka jaka ban penyat ya ki jaklia bat ka septage management plan kani ka jaka kadai ka balashna hak jaka jong ka Shillong Municipal Board na ka scheme jong ka AMRUT ka banyarak bat gentiu shibuan ka jingkhut jingsuba jong ka nong ba Shillong Hari ini kejengalang lapen ia kejengkran berjing penbena jong Menteri Rang Badu Keri India Narendra Modi hak bakal Menteri Ketenat Health and Family Welfare ke Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo kalalong kum ke special guest. Ya kini kejaka lashna hak jing start bathamai nak bentaban penkhut ya kijabo jaban ke pentikna ya kejing shingan jong kinong tray bat ya kipat ba. Kejing penankam dak kikor ke pendu dak ba penankam dak keti ya kisbok jaklia bat ke ba ya kitiar ki ba kham shingan. Kani kejing temu ke yada ya kakuat ke khia jong kipat ba bat ka ai kejing daru ya kamariang ke Shillong Municipal Board kala ai ke benta ke bakongsan nak benta kinong tray jong ka ban penek pensa ya kejing khut jing subah ke Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo kala ai tiru syaki khat prangut kinong tray ya ke Janata Personal Accident Policy basyong dor arlak ka insurance balayo na ke National Insurance Company Limited
septage treatment plant after the ribbon is being cut. A big applause once again, please. Ladies and gentlemen, this moment symbolizes our collective commitment to a cleaner Shillong, and we look forward to the many benefits. Ladies and gentlemen, this plant is a critical initiative aiming to revolutionize the way we manage sludge and waste, ensuring better public health and hygiene. This plant
और देश की महान विभूतियों ने देखा था वो सपना हम सब मिलकर के पूरा करें। आज का दिन हमें ये प्रेरणा देता है। साथियों, आज 2 अक्टूबर के दिन मैं कर्तव्य बोध से भी भरा हुआ हूं और उतना ही भावुक भी हूं। आज स्वच्छ भारत मिशन को, उसकी यात्रा को 10 साल के मुकाम पर हम पहुंच चुके हैं। स्वच्छ भारत मिशन की ये यात्रा करोड़ों भारतवासियों की अटूट प्रतिबद्धता का प्रतीक है। बीते 10 साल में कोटि कोटि भारतीयों ने इस मिशन को अपनाया है, अपना मिशन बनाया है, इसे अपने जीवन का हिस्सा बनाया है। और मैं उन लोगों का भी आभारी हूं, वरना मैं प्लास्टिक, सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक बंद करने की बात करता तो हो सकता था प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री वाले आंदोलन करते, वो हड़ताल पे बैठते, नहीं बैठते, उन्होंने सहयोग किया, आर्थिक नुकसान हो गया। और मैं उन राजनीतिक दलों का भी आभार व्यक्त करता हूं जो भी शायद निकल पड़ते कि देखिए मोदी ने सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक भर के हजारों लोगों का रोजगार खत्म कर दिया, पता नहीं क्या क्या कर देते। मैं उनको भी आभार मानता हूं कि उनका इस बात पर ध्यान नहीं गया। हो सकता है इसके बाद चला गया। साथ ही इस आंदोलन में हमारा फिल्म जगत भी पीछे नहीं रहा। कमर्शियल हिट के बजाय फिल्म जगत ने स्वच्छता के संदेश को जनता तक पहुंचाने के लिए फिल्में बनाई ये 10 सालों में। और मुझे तो लगता है कि ये विषय को एक बार करने का नहीं, कि पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी हर पल हर दिन करने का काम है। और ये जब मैं कहता हूं तो मैं इसको जीता हूं। अब जैसे मन की बात की याद कर ले अपन, आप में से बहुत लोग मन की बात से परिचित हैं, देशवासी परिचित हैं। मन की बात में मैंने करीब करीब 800 बार
we remember and we uphold his ideals of truth, non-violence and peace. And also, especially since the year 2014, we have been observing it and recognizing it as a way to renew our commitment towards a clean or a Swachh Bharat. So, right from the month of September, the entire state under the aegis of the Ministry of Urban Affairs and Rural Water and Sanitation has observed the Swachhata Hi Seva, where we have carried out numerous programs, madam, across the state and also across the capital cities to involve the communities in undertaking various programs and initiatives towards cleanliness and increasing awareness on the importance of Swachhata or cleanliness. So today we are honored to have you in our midst, ma'am. We have just seen the Honorable Prime Minister dedicate to the nation and inaugurate a number of projects under the Amrut program, and we are very honored that in the state of Meghalaya as well, one of the programs is being inaugurated today, which is the fecal sludge and septic management plant located here in the Shillong Municipal Board Complex. Thank you, madam, for your presence and for your constant guidance to us as a department, to the community members as well, in urging us to undertake all possible measures to ensure a clean, a livable and sanitary city. I also take this opportunity to thank the CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board, Shri P.K. Boro, and his entire team for having put together this program. Officers from the Urban Affairs Department and the Directorate of Urban Affairs, all municipal workers, staff of the Shillong Municipal Board and the department, friends from the community, respected Ramba Ashram from Lankra and other areas who are here today, friends from the press and media. Management, there are two big components before us, which is solid waste and liquid waste. When it comes to solid waste, Shillong City alone, for instance, generates around 171 metric tons of waste per day. And for this, we do have a system in place through the Shillong Municipal Board and also through the respective Board of Shillong, where collection, segregation, composting, recycling takes place through the various units, and ultimately the waste lands up at the collection site, wherein primary processing takes place and recyclables are also taken away and sold. We have had a lot of cooperation from the respective Roshno in this, and we would like to continue to urge you to work closely with the Shillong Municipal Board, and even in areas which are not covered under the Shillong Municipal Board, whatever assistance may be needed from time to time, training, awareness to community members, setting up of decentralized resource collection centers is also being done in a bid to bring about efficiency in waste management. Today, however, we are here for a project which marks a great achievement when it comes to management of liquid waste. We know that the city generates around 32.37 million liters of sewage per day, and this includes both the black water, which is enters the septic tanks and is partially treated there, as well as the grey water, which emerges from the households and the kitchens and the drains, and enters into the stormwater drains of the city. Partial collection does happen, and we already also have a treatment plant similar to this one in Marken, which treats around 115 kiloliters per day. With the inauguration of this plant, which has the capacity to treat 360 kiloliters per day, that is 360,000 liters per day, it is a huge boost to the efforts of Shillong City to saturate and to try and completely treat the sewage which is emerging across the city. So I would like to congratulate the officers of the department, the Shillong Municipal Board especially, who has worked really hard to put this, to bring about this project. It has taken time. There have been several hurdles, even at the last mile, but through cooperation and the close coordination with various departments, including the Pollution Control Board, the PHE department, the NECL. Today, Madam, we are proud to say that the fecal sludge and septic management plant is finally being inaugurated. Has also set up and installed in situ treatment in 5 drains that discharge into the Waungkra under the Smart City mission. And there are a number of in situ nala treatment plants which are also set up across the city. Together with this plant, this is an effort, a consolidated effort from our end to ensure that the discharge that finally enters into the environment is clean, is as per the standards, and as Madam has just seen just now, the ultimate discharge, the filtered byproduct and water which comes out of this plant after the several layers of treatment from the various chambers is very clear, and it can be used either for horticultural purposes, or in this case it will also be recycled and reused to manage undertaking testing of this water as well. But as we can see, this is a huge boost to us, and what I would also especially like to congratulate the board, the team of engineers, is also that, Madam, as you have seen, there is little to no smell or dirt which is emitting in this plant itself, because the entire process is technically very sound. In fact, at the first stages, a bit of the sludge which also comes out as a byproduct is being collected and can be further processed to be used as compost. So end to end, this is truly a scientific, state-of-the-art facility which is taking our efforts to manage liquid waste in the state to another level, and we hope to be able to replicate similar measures in all the district headquarters of the state as well, to ensure that there will be proper treatment of fecal sludge and septic, which includes untreated and partially treated sewage, which is collected by the different, as Mr. Boro was mentioning, the cesspool vehicles from different areas within the city. We do continue to urge the different Ramba Shlong to inform the board from time to time whenever there is need for cesspool collection, because there has to be awareness on this. We know that many households, for instance, in the city don't treat or don't do this, don't request for cesspool collection after even many years, which may cause issues in the long run. So once again,
ni berkod ia kata bawa kami nanti longyeng ki boper ki badam omtang ha ka East Shillong constituency nilai ki badam ru ha ki markap jong per constituency juni bat ha ka ni ganong ba Shillong ro away kani ga diga sni ka bakamen kam dai na ka buta jong ha ka MLA jong per constituency banyo iba ya kani ka project lala ban pendek bat ban pendekam Mardor akan resmi. Kini kijing perkat jong ke sorkar ban pengkut ye ki jabok ki bawal na tilongyeng tilongsen ki jongi ha sandong jong kanong masyulong. Kamri ke batman. Nakamau ki por mensuang adang bat ya ke urban affairs kum ke menteri ke bakri ya kata ketenat jong ke urban affairs. Lagon shibon ki eksperimen ki boper la persyang ki kom ki boper shipor la pentai ya kini ki treatment plans ha ki caka boper ka lomba son sedang hang tei ha po mau ba ha po hang tei ha po West Shillong bat lagon ko jaga tin perkat babaro kini ki pandana jongi ki sakitkan jongi dei ban connect lang yaki ban ha yaki lang ha upai siya kita ki treatment plans ki Bangilaya bu nisdang siya ng tay na mauba ang mokran tang bangalak ba labon ki kendron lemla ang pendet mereka apalagi jo isa ripi jo isa ben ilagan hanggang di depan nila tapos nang tidak kam siya no ki ya kata ka ko siyang jo pasota tinang tu pade layo iba umyo ya kata ko way of right vibes, nak berak, connect with septic tank Indonesia kita di treatment plants boker. Lai no, bat la abandon no dia kata, kecil persyang tu serta. Biang, habawan ke teknologi, kecil penelengkam di core pentrikam boker. Kalau nang ya, padahal kini kisnem di bawah kendet pilayu iba, kinong syong habadak kasarkitan jadi kilala ban phone siya municipal board ban pan ya kita ki cesspool kali ibala ban suction ya kajabo kabapun block ya kisarkitan di jongi abalalang kajabo ngaju perkat wendat halagi kila selu ya kani tinggal juat sikit Pakakapor mensuaju tidak kecaka negatif kepada. Bagai kini kejaba awanam na kisnong kita biling isen. Lapan kali ha kita isupit ibae ane. Bat syutap iki nang bakinyo ban dikomposi dalagi lengkap berkecing ayo kedawai. Banpet pat ba ni kung kinong song ninang kuno ban kukot ya kajabo kamami nangihi kaya ka step na snow na siya baka ni ka project kala urlo bak katu kajabo kamami nakiye sen jumi matangi tip siya kadali apa pulang ya kung gani kajabo kaday do kabinti jumi kung kinong song ban kukot ya ka kung kababiyang bak mentang step ngayon dia kena kecil penting kena bahag kena ke treatment plan ngin kawa duna ya kajan silak keli kilongye kilala ban kali ya kisakitkan joki benerra ya kahuni bak kalong kapasno kena banyoi bahadu kabenta baka kabami na kani kajing perempuan ke kejabo ini lala bangke biang sya ini iwak duot ibadet perempuan iki nang makin poi sya kabenti ke wakadu jong kejingya inti jong kani bawa duot Nunggang kamu ke jimpen ma ya kamarian. Kapen jimpen jabo ya kameram o. Ha kata kalentian jong kani ko Snong tu bang ni dong kam menta kum kajat menteri ru ban bak li lang. Kami tang ka beauty jong kasota. Habang alin sebutan haki di Islam kundet ibladen. Bak ngayo iya kata ka jinna jong ki ban pikir ya kaput kesuba. O nanti longin hado bakin da koi sa kajaka bak pengkut ne treat ya kita dijawab pijaban kalong kaba itena bat kaba burong hado kata-kata kajude higa rupam bahabami kajabo na yen ni bread ke kasaba ye kasi jumi ibenanam satlak kaprote magilong yin di bakot ay kata-kata ni kasi kajimle kajumi bangin syong hakiyin isem kibakot kibasuba Nrei tengka, kerana perkat asil. Ni keluar bang penjabok bat, tanglat gagir penjabok. Kani berok mata kadai bang telah. Bat ni aware, ni kau semua bahaya tinggi long sok semua. To yang minang, kasong datang, fikir lem. Pet by ibay ilong yen, ibagang haka 16 East Shillong constituency. Ilong gibaklam akor. Ban pelai na kajabok na layeng bak nam te at sabari ban te tang balalay na kapampang na jong. Smoburom iki rang bak snong gijungi baka dorbar kulun gijungi gabo simkya ya kami kata. Dala kijong gikmat na layo i. Ya kajing simkya jong ini layo kirang bak snong. Kirang bak snong kigaladen. Ban pen Kung bangi kung ka community ne kasnong ka tangi day ban shifty lang ya ni ka kam ka badam snow tenat ru ban yo snow ba menteri rama jong gari prime minister jong gari yuni Manmohan Singh ji Narendra Modi ji ula shimkhya ba hakum kani ka step ban monitor Kei gaba kari borok kawai kade. Ba nasno tenak shibon WI, ba CEO, imagan kisawanda dari director, ba ki officers harum joki. Ki pet ba ki tip deka coba kide. Bilayas no imagan kisawanda ba CEO jumi, kumno ki pensongpo yapi. Tang di bakrei hakam nisperbon, mreiru, kibagan hakidong islong, bakum no kasorka kan persyang, bakkan yai persyang. Kani kejaka hungi, kare gawai kejaka, kabang nilai banya burong, kabang nilai banya di kendong, bak kemen, bak municipal board tentang urban affairs, lembak di projek hotel jom kasorka kuni India, tingwan ra susuk. Ya kita hidup pengkut pensuba ya kami ramau keberadaan saulong jemi. Dalam ke integrated approach, lada dangdung kita kijaka, kitan, hidong, snap, tiba timpak nak pentuai ini successful, tum kasoka, miron kampang konkret ya ka plan, integrated plan. Bagnin hakapuar bangidang ya keren. Ya kibai pati programs bangidang isyong lang rin ka kajindon lang menteri lang ba coba jelang ni Conrad ki sama ladek yaran bahkan sadon kata ka consultation ka bahye ha nakabangin don ka people's lani official integration of ideas ni kang mantay mahaba plan ya kanu Kagay bandon kata concerted effort na kalian coba serta banpen bakinong song pinungyo daw banwo ya kasorkar banong Ikepan dan baper ile la ijong ikam teng ka scheme PUE one place shot PWD sa katukas nila one place sa PHP baki don kam Manpek bakani ka common approach kan long ka basay so na kalita kata governance ka bangini ay yakinong siyong. Sampo point not rakro. Kapag nujor bat piskin si bagay siya kibay jala. Ini dang kendit drop in the ocean bati o. Nilang kamadan banpeg minta. Kung nong nila bangin ng konfran niya kanita system, bangin romlem niya kami ramo, ni pene pensa sa lem niya kami ramo, bangin ay pateng pat siya kibanwan shield niya kapateng nani. Tengkan ni jukulet ita. Kadang suwan na binikikindit tayo naka-re-Japan. Kinumlaman mundo. Bamdam ka wayro kalongyin. Kabapuntuat ya kaong kabajabo siya kanala ne siya kawadod kabadon hakap jok katakayin. Kiong gismod, kikod, kisuba. Bat katu kayarap ya kakwat kakya jong katakari. Bat jong katakajat penril jong katakari. Nimday ban du jingkermen. Lada pidu jingkermen. Hilong ka jingtim ya kipateng di bawang. Makarmen makini ki sama ki bakna ki tungi ki ban syemti ya kani kakam. Na ini the officers but nangi the political leaders ki sni ki umi ngable lo sama ni. Makarmen ban yo i bakki syemtia ya kini kita. Lalong magadon kami ni bangin syemti lang. Hindi ban ong ka sorkar kan. Hindi ban ong bang ngalam tip kita. Bak kalong kamasung kena ban yo i baki burom lem ya kini kinong tray jo ka manasutul bo. Bon kinong tray jo ka manasutul bo kinyo ya ki monetary benefits kung bayo lang kibay kibatray hati government departments kibatray. Niyay persyang bantun suko ya ka jingdon kam ya ka board bakan how da ka elected body Rei imak kajat pendiri jungi kapal long ready ya kata. Kap penslen ya ke election jom gini di members di badan hati board kum ke municipal board kata nang jengai kajing syumti dalade yalade di pinong song snong nim kwa ban board ke ai ke ba pinong song snong kimmon tang batenghan nim day pa some post nam hadir ban ong ni bakla nila bebele ya kata wala hapneng bijing di babon bak kajing kamtat jong ka sarkar kami yaki proposals bawan na kum kami ka ULB kapag iong ka sulong municipal board bon sen ha kapag ipentre di DPR ka sarkar kami ka reject magor na marko bet bak kami ka bari kalong unelected bak nungdan ke prosedur ke babiang ban check and balance ya ke funding ke bawan syakum kene ke municipal board ke jumi hilong tray jong ke municipal board kene gede kesini ke pangiraki ke pang ban tentu di bang sosnong ban libetin lenti lang bat hi ban kukut ya ke snong ke tal jong ni